In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook cover photo not saving issue. First, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Now, you want to head over to your profile. Here, select the option of Edit over your cover. Now, you can select either Upload Photo or choose Cover Photo. You can select any one of these options. Once you have selected the image that you want, tap on the Save option. For best results, use a cover photo with the recommended dimension of approximately 820 by 312 pixels. Using an unsupported image size or format can sometimes cause upload issues. If your cover photo still isn't saving, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If the issue continues, clear the Facebook app cache. For that, press and hold on the Facebook app, tap on this app info icon, which should take you to app settings. Here, find the option of storage, then tap on clear cache. You can also head back and tap on the option of force stop, then tap on OK. If your issue is still not resolved, you can simply uninstall the application. After it has been uninstalled, reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store, and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.